Hello and welcome to appse demo. In this demo, we will cover this particular workflow, which actually recommends the preferred vendor to the purchase department or to the purchase manager. So it understands the new purchase request sent to the purchase manager by the purchase team member or other team members by inventory managers. And once receive this purchase request, then this workflow automatically identifies the preferred vendor or the best vendor based on certain criteria and send alerts or notification to the purchase manager so that they can create purchase order based on the best vendor recommended by this workflow. So here we have used OpenAI to select the best vendor. In this demo, we will explore this workflow, which actually recommends preferred vendor for purchase order. So in any organization, there are a lot of purchase requests which comes from purchase employees to purchase manager. And based on that, the purchase manager creates purchase order within the system and then send that to the preferred vendor. But if an item has a lot of purchase order history in the past, it is difficult for the purchase manager to identify the preferred vendor and create a or place a purchase order based on that. So this workflow helps basically the purchase manager to identify the preferred vendor and place purchase order against that. So let's quickly have a overview of this workflow within next 30 seconds. So the purchase request comes in email, and this node actually get the purchase request, read all the purchase request. If there are new purchase request, then it gets the email details, it gets the attachment, the PDF where the purchase requests are sent. But if it is sent within email body, that can be configured as well. Then it converts that PDF, it decodes the PDF into text, feed that to the AI node to understand that what are the item and what are the preferred quantity which is being ordered. Now, if that item, the next step is to find that item by within the system. Here we have used Zoho Books as an accounting system, but it can perfectly work with any other accounting or ERP system. So it first finds the item within the ERP or accounting. It finds out the previous purchase orders against that particular item. And then if there are purchase orders which are available, then it creates a collection of all these purchase orders. It feeds that to the AI node for analysis. And then based on the analysis, it alerts the purchase manager that who is the preferred vendor for what item. Here we have used within the AI node, we have used two primary factors. One is the lowest price. Another is the fastest delivery. So based on this, it will analyze the previous purchase orders for that particular item. So let's quickly run this workflow and let's see the result. So now if we go to Teams, right, and here if we go into that particular channel, so here we have used a channel to alert the purchase team. So here we can see that the recommended vendor for the purchase of item, this is the item with SKU, this is the vendor name. So in this way, the purchase manager will be alerted or the purchase team will be alerted who is the preferred vendor when creating a purchase order. So that's all that I'd like to share today in this workflow. Thanks for watching and hope to share similar workflow ideas, AI workflow ideas, and videos where workflows are created using appse platform very soon. So stay tuned with our YouTube channel where you will get these video updates on a regular basis. Thanks for your time.